Okay, hello guys, my name is Olympio Tuns, and today I will talk about the non-farm payrolls. But first of all, guys, here is the risk disclaimer, and as always, please read it, please consult it, because it's important for you to understand the risks. Don't forget, guys, to email support if you have questions. But guys, also please have a little patience, yeah. If you are emailing support, because there are a lot of emails, a lot of messages, but don't worry, because they will come back to you, yeah, even if they will reply through 2-3 days later. But yeah, unfortunately there are a lot of messages, and that's why maybe they will come back with an answer or with a reply only the next day or something like this. Okay, so don't worry, you can still email support. They will come back to you, they will reply. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram. So guys, if you remember, earlier I talked about the US non-farm payrolls. Dilavar, hello everyone. Aria, hi, how are you? Andy Smith, hi, how are you? How are you guys? So I'm waiting for messages, also for questions, and yeah, we'll take a look on let's take a look. Let's start this webinar with my position here in euro versus the US dollar. Something like yeah, something like 250 pips in profit. My position, my selling position, my short position here in euro versus the US dollar, only because the dollar index has rallied. You can see that yeah, my position actually this and euro versus the US dollar extended its sell-off, so it continues to drop. So I will still keep it, yeah, and I will come back with my trade management when maybe when I'll decide to close it or something. But as I've said, my position here is I don't know, around the 250 pips in profit. Also, Orlando's trading gold is still open. Orlando will come back with his update, maybe something like around 280 pips in profit or something. So yeah, something like this. And I really hope that, personally, I was looking at before this webinar, personally I was looking at sorry, I was looking at US dollar versus the Singapore dollar for maybe potential new long opportunity. We'll take a look on that market. We'll take a look on all markets as well. But first of all, so please remember that the non-farm employment change is seen as a high impact event today indicator. So anything could happen. Most likely will, I don't know, the US dollar, gold, silver will register sharp movements in both directions. That's why you have to be careful. Also, unemployment rate is expected to drop from 4.0% to 3.9%. Every hourly earnings, 0.5% growth expected. So these are seen as high impact events. Anything could happen, guys. Okay, so that's why you have to be careful, right? Even if you are an experienced trader, as I said, these economic data, the US data dump, could bring sharp movements, high volatility. Okay, so that's why you have to be careful. Gold sell? No. Why? Why you want to sell gold? Acing. So let's talk about gold. First of all, here 1 hour chart. And as I've said earlier today, I've sent a daily video analysis, and I've talked about this market, about gold. And I've said something like this, that as long as it stays above the uptrend line, yeah, and after something like this, breakout above the immediate downtrend line, retest, and in my opinion here, taking out the weekly R1 1950.11, a new higher high, a value breakout here could signal potential growth, even if we have here something like a strong resistance area. Okay, but something like this, in my opinion, if the US data will come in, let's one moment, because I will also update the groups, or actually, yeah, with the non-farm payrolls and everything. I will so something like this. Okay, so as I've said, guys, as I've said, let's so something like this. If the US data will come in better than expected, yeah, then maybe the price will come back down to retest the broken a downtrend line, maybe the support levels before jumping higher. In my opinion, also here, after its failure to come back to retest the uptrend line, signaled strong buyers. Harry, US 30, please. Yeah, I will take a look on US 30 as well. Thank you. And in my opinion, worse than expected US data could force the yellow metal, the price of gold, to jump higher. So right now, acing, personally, I will not. Actually, I said earlier today that the price of gold is bullish, and personally, I'm looking for new buying opportunities, okay, in gold. Also, during this situation, the current geopolitical tension could escalate, and I don't know. There are a lot of things right now that could force the price of gold to jump higher, okay. Also, global economy growth maybe slow down or something. One moment, because we'll have the non-farm payrolls. One moment, guys. So let's take a look. I will also use Forex Factory again, but I will also share. So US average hourly, yeah. So one moment, because I will update the groups as well. Directly from my news terminal. So something like this, and non-farm payrolls better than expected, guys. So yeah. Better than expected non-farm payrolls. Okay. Average hourly earnings month over month, only 0.0% growth, which is yeah, worse than expected. So something like this. Okay, so I will continue with let's go, let's take a look. So a temporary drop here right now on the 1 hour. Let's take a look. Dollar index after better than expected. Yeah, strongly bullish dollar index as expected. I will refresh here also the Forex factory calendar. So unemployment rate, guys, 3.8. okay, so 3.8% versus 3.9 expected, so better than expected. Unemployment rate on an expected drop here. Non-farm employment change better than expected, 678,000, better than expected. But yeah, average hourly earnings 0.0% growth. But yeah, I believe that these two indicators could I don't know, help the US dollar to, I don't know, to stay higher or something, because personally, I cannot say that right now the US dollar will continue to grow after something like this, because this could be the US dollar, or actually the current better than expected US data could be already priced in. So yeah, unfortunately, maybe after something like this we may have something like a retreat. But yeah, personally, I will still keep my my trade in euro versus the US dollar. But yeah, we'll keep an eye on my trade, only because yeah, something like this. So my position 1.1182, something like this, and right now something like 240 pips in profit. The bias is still bearish, yeah. So yeah, I will still keep my short position here. Also because you can see that it has ignored 1.0990, 1.1019. Yeah, Rahel, the report is out. It is good or not? So as I've said, it's too low. Will it go rocket high? Any floor inside for the GBP. I will take a look about Euro USD. Okay, so personally, I'm still keeping my trade. I'm still holding my trade. The bias is bearish. Yeah, I'm around. My position is around, I don't know, 240 pips in profit. So even if the price will come back to retest the immediate broken levels, downside levels, I will still keep my trade. Let's go back to talk. Let's take a look on the dollar index first of all. So as I've said, unemployment rate, guys, from the United States, better than expected, and also the non-farm payrolls better than expected. But don't forget that even if the US data came in better than expected, or actually these indicators came in better than expected, reported better than expected data, after something like this, we cannot exclude the temporary retreat. Okay, so even if because the dollar index has registered a strong rally, it has rallied ahead of the US data, and even if the economic data came in better than expected, don't forget that we cannot exclude a temporary retreat before jumping higher. And personally, I want to see something like this, a temporary retreat before jumping higher, because a temporary drop, a temporary decline here could help us to identify new long opportunities, new US dollar opportunities, buying opportunities. Okay, so for me it's important, because I don't want to to go long on the US dollar right now, because as I said, yeah, maybe the dollar index will come back down before jumping higher, before resuming its growth. And yeah, I will look for new long opportunities, for new US dollar long opportunities after a temporary drop or something. So something like this. Yeah, I will delete this pitchfork. Yeah, and also here R1 and the channel upside line are seen as potential resistance levels, and so that's why you have to be careful with the US dollar right now, even if the non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate reported better than expected data. Gold again, and then we'll take a look on US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, because I've said that maybe I will have something like a new long position, or actually I want to go long on the US dollar, and maybe I will have a long opportunity in US dollar versus the Singapore dollar. Thank you for mentioning temporary retreat. Yeah, not necessarily, Rahil, Suraj Rahil, but you have to be careful. Okay, right now the US data could lift the dollar index, right? Could push the dollar index higher. But personally, I want to see something like that, like a temporary retreat, a temporary drop, before it will continue to grow. Because if I will, I don't know, go long right now on the dollar index, a temporary drop in the dollar index, yeah, will force the US dollar to depreciate, and yeah, I could lose money on that retreat. Okay, gold, as I've said, weekly R1, as I've said earlier today in my daily video. So weekly R1 1949.93, a static resistance, guys. As I've said here, staying below it, signal potential maybe drop again, maybe to retest the immediate support levels. And as I've said also earlier today, that if the US data will come in better than expected, then maybe the price of gold will slip lower. Yeah, and only worse than expected US data could force the yellow metal to jump higher. But the price of gold is still bullish. Yeah, in the short term it moves somehow sideways, right? Somehow sideways here. Maybe here we had something like a triangle pattern breakout, and right now the bias is still bullish. Okay, also as long as it stays above 16.61 or something, above the uptrend line. And in my opinion here, something like a sideways movement, extended sideways movement here, even if the price will come back down to retest all these, yeah, it will, something like this will bring me great buying opportunities. Okay, so maybe I want to see something like this in gold as well, right? And yeah, of course, staying near the R1 could signal an imminent breakout and the potential upside continuation, right? So I'll wait. Right now, I don't want to do anything here on gold, but as I've said, gold is still bullish. Please guys, don't forget to like this video here right now live, yeah, because yeah, it will be it will help me, yeah, into the YouTube algorithm. So let's take a look here. I have a potential maybe setup here in US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, but right now I don't want to, maybe personally right now I'll wait, okay, because anything could happen. Even if the US data, the US non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate came in better than expected, okay, anything could happen, as I've said. But here, US dollar versus the Singapore dollar, this is my potential setup, okay, and if I will decide to open this trade for myself, I will also share my trade with the VIP members, okay. So if you are a VIP member, you will get my trade, so don't worry. This could be my setup. I'm not sure right now if I want to go long like this, only because or actually, yeah, I want to go long maybe on this market. So downtrend line, breakout, and here retests, and right now it challenges 1.3606, okay, 06, and also the R1. But I don't want, maybe I didn't want it to send a buy stop like this, only because the price could make something like this, yeah, to jump here right above the R1 and then to retreat and to print only a false breakout, okay, above the R1, above 1.3606, okay. So that's why I'm still waiting for something like a valid breakout here, okay. So it has developed something like a pattern here, but I'm still waiting for confirmation, guys, yeah. Sorry about this, guys, but I will take a look on your messages, and I will try to answer to all your questions. Sparky, can we look for buy for long in Euro USD from now? Personally, I'm short on Euro US dollar, so no, I will not go long on Euro USD right now. The dollar index is bullish, so no. It's your call if you want to go long or short or something. The Giants, can you watch New Zealand dollar US dollar? Yeah, I will take a look on that market. On that market as well, also on GBP Australian dollar for Tim. Yeah, thank you, Tim. Yeah, something like this. US 30 for Harry, and something like this. Okay, so in my opinion here, as I said, technically and normally, maybe the pair will continue to grow here, but as I've said, yeah, it has jump it and close it above the immediate highs, but personally maybe I want to see something like this, yeah, for the price to close above the R1 and to stabilize above, also above above 1.3606 before jumping high and resuming its growth, okay. So yeah, and if I will decide to go long, this will be something like this. Maybe I will place and I will hide my stop loss below this former low here, okay, below the uptrend line, okay, because even if the price will come back down to retest the support levels, it could resume its growth, but right now I'll wait. As I said earlier, this could be only a false breakout, yeah, that's why I don't want maybe to go long right now. I'll wait. Maybe I will get confirmation during this live session. I will come back to the to US dollar Singapore dollar later. So and maybe I will open a trade. So Sparky, why do you want to go long here on your Euro USD when the market is strongly bearish? Why? Yeah, you can see that the price crashes. Why do you want to go long? Yeah, it's too late to go short. Yeah, but I don't know, I don't have something. Why do you want to go long? Personally, I don't have a support here. I don't have a bullish reversal pattern. I don't have anything, okay. it's strongly bearish, and personally I'm still keeping and I'm still holding my short position here. Okay, so something like this in euro versus the US dollar. So something like this. Yeah, sorry about sorry guys, one moment. Okay, so sorry guys, so something like this, maybe something like a potential channel here, right? But let's wait, because a value breakdown below it could signal potential deeper drop, or a temporary rebound here could bring us maybe new short opportunities or something. From when do you think Euro USD can go rocket high? Okay, US Tech, so US 100, I believe. Because of seasonality from March, 1 week it shall go up. I don't know, Sparky. Right now Euro USD goes down, it crashes. Okay, so as long as I don't have a bullish reversal pattern, right, or a strong oversold, yeah, why should I buy it right now, right? So I will not buy it. I'm a seller here. My short position is in profit, so 1.1182. Yeah, let's take it from here, 0905. So please take a look. So 277, yeah, maybe more than 270 pips in profit on this trade. So yeah, I'm still keeping my trade, right? Gold, yeah, it continues to stay there. So yeah, as I've said, personally I'm still looking for new gold longs. Okay, and that's why I will yeah, I will keep an eye on gold, because I want to go long on gold, and Orlando's trading gold is in profit, and I want to add more buying positions, okay, in gold. Yeah, so something like this. Silver as well. So if you want, guys, if you are not a VIP member, and if you want to get our new buying positions in gold, only because the price of gold is bullish and it could resume its upside movement, okay, in this during actually the risk of sentiment dominates the markets, and yeah, gold remains very attractive. Let's go back. And that's why personally I'm still looking for, and I will look for new buying opportunities here in gold. And if you want, if you are not a VIP member, and if you are only a free member, if you want to get our new buying positions and trades, if you want to follow our trades in gold, you should become a VIP member, right? Of course, if you're not a VIP member already. So I will share the link into the YouTube chat. You can access that link if you want to join us, to become a VIP member, to get all our trades, all my trades. It's important also, if you are a free member, don't forget that maybe even if I will, but personally, Personally, I'm sharing my trades with the VIP members because the VIP members are paying a subscription for my thought process, for the rationale behind my trade, for my trades. They want to follow my trades. They want my my trade management, which is really important. Even if I will share a trade with the free members, with the free group, I will not share my trade management. And you will not know what to do with that trade. Yeah, even if the price will hit the entry, will move in profit for a while, you will not know maybe how to secure it, to move your stop loss to break even, maybe, or to cut your losses, maybe to take profits, to, I don't know, to manage your position. So that's why it's important to have also my my trade management. Okay, gold. I don't have something right now. I don't want to buy it here only because it could register only a false breakout. That's why I'll wait for a valid breakout here, right? Before moving higher, or I'll wait for a temporary retreat here in gold. So let's take a look. So I will try to answer to your questions. Nasdaq, please. Okay, so US 100. So first of all, I wanted to talk about gold and Euro USD, US dollar. Something like a sideways movement here. Something like a sideways movement here in US 100 on the Nasdaq. Sorry guys, my throat is killing me right now. So something like this, I believe that personally I've deleted my drawings. Maybe I'm deleting actually my drawings maybe every day, because I want to build new ones. It's very important because you will you could identify and new opportunities. I don't know, maybe you are missing something, so that's why it's important to build new strategies or new analyses, maybe every day or something, on the markets that you are following or something that you are watching, up to where you are looking for USD sell. Yeah, Sparky, are you a VIP member? Because yeah, you have a lot of questions here. Are you a VIP member or not? Yeah, because I need to know, because if you are a VIP member, you will get my trade management, okay? And when I'll decide to close my position in euro versus the US dollar, you will get my trade management. Right? So okay, so US 100. US 100. So something like this, in my opinion, only false breakout, unfortunately, and also false breakout here above this former high 14,331.5, and right now, yeah, but yeah, maybe I will look for short opportunities here after better than expected US data, if the dollar index will continue to grow, if the US dollar will continue to appreciate. Yeah, so yeah, it seems that better than expected US data wasn't priced in. So the dollar index rallied, jumped above the weekly R2, above the channel's upside line. But personally, maybe I will still wait for this. Yeah, actually, this 1 hour candle will be closed in 6 minutes, and let's take a look for our candle in 2 hours and 6 minutes. So maybe I'll wait for also for the 4-hour candle to close maybe above, and maybe to come back, maybe the price to come back. Maybe we can still have, personally, maybe I'll still wait for something like a retreat. Yeah, as I said earlier, maybe we'll have a retreat here this time if the price will close, if the dollar index will close above these broken levels, upside obstacles. Maybe we'll come back to retest them before jumping higher. So I'll wait for something like this. Earlier I said something like this, but right now, if the in this situation dollar index rallied, jumped above these resistance levels, maybe something like this could bring us new US dollar long opportunities. So US 100. So in my opinion, one moment, because so yeah, Suraj Rahil, US 100, so the Nasdaq. Yeah, unfortunately, only false breakout, and here something like a sideways movement. Maybe now, I don't know, maybe something like a double top or something here, but we need confirmation for the giants. I will take a look on New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and Australian dollar, Japanese yen. I will take a look, but please be patient, and please guys, have a little patience, because I will take a look on all markets. I will take a look on the Japanese yen, on Bitcoin, Ethereum, cryptocurrencies, US equities, I don't know, US oil, more Forex pairs, but yeah, so something like this. US 100. Also, don't forget to like this this video. US 100, guys. Maybe I want to see something like this here for a retest or a false breakout, or for a new lower low here, right? Before dropping deeper. So and yeah, maybe I will look for shorts. Something like this here, descending pitchfork 1, 2, and 3, drop, rebound, and yeah, in my opinion, a new lower low, actually a valid breakdown below 13,763.9 could open the door for a larger downside movement, okay? And in my opinion, only staying here, test, retest, false breakdowns, sideways movement, a valid breakout could bring us new buying opportunities. This is my opinion. Okay. The giants. Okay, thank you. Don't worry. So New Zealand dollar, US dollar for you. The giants. Yeah, New Zealand dollar, US dollar retreat after better than expected non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate from the United States of America. So yeah. As I've said, personally, I've deleted my drawings and my analysis, because I want to build a fresh analysis, maybe every day. So yeah, it has retested here 0.680909 after, but we'll have to wait, because as long as it stays above it, above this former high, yeah, it could it's still bullish, okay, as long as it stays above that former high. Yeah, it has reached these former highs as resistance levels, but as I've said, and please take a look here. So I will talk also about the Australian dollar versus the US dollar, and you can see here that the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, and also the Australian dollar, US dollar continue to grow even if the dollar index rallied, okay? So yeah, that correlation between the dollar index and the US dollar pairs yeah, didn't work yet maybe very well right now during this geopolitical tensions, I don't know. There are a lot of things. You have to trade what you see right now. Yeah, you can also use correlations, but it's important, guys, for you to make your and to build your own analysis, to take a look on all markets maybe, and to trade what you see on that market. Yeah, okay, you can use correlation as well. So as long as it stays above 0.6809, in my opinion, New Zealand dollar US dollar is still bullish, right? Test, retest, false breakdowns, consolidation, accumulation above the uptrend line could signal potential growth. Okay, so right now I don't have something here. I don't want to sell it here. I don't want to buy it here, so no. Yeah, US dollar, Singapore dollar. Yeah, I want a retreat here, retest here before jumping higher, because if I would have sent or even if I would have opened this trade for me, yeah, maybe this it would have actually the price is almost to hit my entry, or actually maybe and potential retreat here. But no, personally, as I've said, I don't want to open a trade on the US dollar right now around right after the non-farm payrolls. I want the markets to calm down, to cool down before I will identify a new opportunity or something. Okay, Australian dollar, US dollar, sorry. I will try to answer to your questions and to take a look on those markets. So please take a look here also. Australian dollar, US dollar, further growth. Yeah, even if the dollar index rallied, even if the Euro USD plunged. I will take a look also on the British pound. So also here 0.7314, the uptrend line as downside obstacles, as support levels. So as long as it stays above these levels, it could still resume its upside movement. So maybe I will look for shorts, guys. Okay. One moment, because I have to answer to a message. Sorry, sorry. So yeah, so something like this. What about US 30 boss? Yeah, I will take a look on that market as well. Something like this. One moment, I have to answer to something here. Okay, so I will look for right now. Maybe only something like this will only a false breakdown with great separation. So if the price will drop below the support levels, if it will close above, test retest could bring new long opportunities here in Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay, but as long as the dollar index continues to grow, and if the price stays below this level here. One moment. So maybe we have something here like I don't know, rising wedge, up channel or something. I will look for shorts for selling opportunities if the price will make maybe something like this. Okay, valid breakdown below the uptrend line, and also I want a valid breakdown below 0.7314. Yeah, so something like this, only if the price will make a valid breakdown here, right? And also to make a new lower low actually here. So if I will decide to go short here, maybe I will do it something like this, maybe, I don't know. I don't know. It remains to, I don't have specific levels or something right now, but I'm showing you only maybe the thought process or something, the rationale behind maybe a potential short opportunity. Jamie, you're my mentor now. I joined VIP 2 weeks ago. Thanks, Jamie, for joining us. No, I'm not the best trader. I'm not pretending that I'm the best trader, or I'm not pretending that I know everything. But yeah, Jamie, you can learn a lot from my videos, from my webinars, and you can learn a lot from my analyses. Yeah, and yeah, I'm glad that you are here, and I'm glad that maybe you like what I'm doing here. Okay, so this could be my thought process here. Okay, staying below 0.7374, right? Even if the price will come back maybe to retest it, a valid breakdown followed by a new lower low could open the door for a deeper drop. And as I've said, I will look for shorts, and maybe I will decide, maybe I will if I will decide, of course, to place such a trade, I will maybe place a sell stop maybe below this former low, or maybe I'll wait for a breakout, and I'll wait for that rebound, test retest, and only then to place a sell stop. Okay, and something like this. And if the price stays below this former high, I will hide my stop loss above this former high. Okay, and then I don't know, I will search for take profit. I don't know, potential take profit, maybe, I don't know, around this former low. Yeah, this could be a 2.25 R or something. Yeah, a great trade. Let's see, let's wait. I'll keep an eye on this market. Yeah, because the price action developed here something like a rising wedge pattern, but we still need confirmation. Okay, US 30. US 30, I will delete also here, like on the same as the US 100, sideways movement right now on the US 30, something like a range pattern. Maybe I will I'll wait for the price to escape from this range. Okay, here on the 1 hour or 4 hour or something, because please take a look here. We had this former low here, okay, as key level. So support turned into a resistance, okay? And right now you can see that the US 30, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, has only retested 33,968, and right now it has dropped. Also here, this could be a triple top. Reversal pattern, but we need something like this, a valid breakdown here below 33,102 to confirm a potential downside movement, deeper drop, right? So this is my opinion here right now on US 30 on this market. Yeah, and in my opinion, maybe as long as it stays within the descending P4's body, I will look for shorts, for selling positions. Unfortunately, it has failed to retest the upper medium line, because retesting the upper medium line could bring short opportunities, right? When you have a descending pitchfork, okay? Yeah, right now I don't have something really good, because the price could only drop towards this level, former low, 33,257. So yeah, one moment, because I want to invite maybe more members. You can, sorry guys. You can still join. Yeah, something like this. Okay, and because right now I don't want to sell it here, because we have an immediate support here, static support, also static support here. That's why, yeah, I would have liked the price to retest here the upper medium line before dropping deeper. Okay, so right now I'll wait. I don't know, maybe something like a sideways movement in the short term could represent a distribution pattern, and then maybe we'll have something like a short opportunity. Okay, because a sideways movement here, false breakdowns or something, failing to reach the medium line, followed by a very breakout could signal potential upside movement. Okay. I will try to answer to your questions, guys. Yeah, I don't have something here. US 500. Okay, I will take a look on the giants. I've talked about New Zealand dollar, US dollar. I will about US 30, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. So first of all, about the Japanese yen, let's take a look. US yen basket. Yen basket. Unfortunately, yesterday I was looking at something like this here, and unfortunately, yeah, after something like this, after this strong sell-off, yeah, personally, I have here something like 9,027, so 90.27. Former low as support. Okay, demand zone, demand area, demand level, or something, call it how you want, something like this. And also the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork. So 1, 2, and 3 rally, retreat here, something like a sideways movement. It has continued to it has resumed its growth. It has reached the medium line, the first upside target. Okay, and right now retreat. Here is failure to come back towards this former high, towards the medium line, something like this. And here strong sell-off, and after this strong sell-off, Sajad, please, US US 500, your signal is not my signal. And don't forget, we are not sending signals, we are sharing our trades. Yeah, if you want to follow a trade, yeah, it's fine. If you want to follow our management, it's fine as well. So Sajad, please take a look again on the Telegram group. US 500 is is Orlando's trade. Okay, so Orlando will come back with his trade management. Okay, so it's not my trade, it's not my signal. US 500. Personally, I have only the US the euro versus US dollar right now. Yeah, thank you. So something like this: Japanese yen basket. After something like this yesterday, I wanted to look for Japanese yen longs. And before we'll talk about Australian dollar, Japanese yen, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, euro, Japanese yen, British pound, Japanese yen. The reason why I didn't wanted, the price dropped, registered only a false breakdown. Okay, but personally I would have liked to see something like this, maybe for because here on 1 hour, we had a false breakdown with great separation on the 4 hour, but here we had the false breakdown. But personally I would have liked here to see a new test, retest, false breakdowns also here, major and strong bullish engulfing or something before going long on the Japanese yen. Okay, so unfortunately, we missed great opportunities on the Japanese yen yesterday after something like this, but don't worry, right now we are near this resistance. Okay, and the potential new downside movement will help us to identify Japanese yen short opportunities. So don't worry, even if we are missing, or even if I'm missing great opportunities or something like this, there will be opportunities all the time. But you have to search for so Ahmed, do you offer signals on the VIP group, or members follows with your live to get your trades done live with you? No, Ahmed, personally and Orlando, we are sharing our trades into the VIP group. So we are sharing our trades with entry, stop loss, take profit, and also we are sharing our trade management. Okay, Ahmed, maybe if we'll decide to close the position before reaching the take profit, or to cut our losses if the price turns against us, maybe to secure our position by moving the stop loss to break even or something. So we are sharing our trades into the VIP group as well. So no, you don't have to, if you are a VIP member, or if you want to become a VIP member, you don't have to worry. You don't have to, to identify trading opportunities here based on my webinars, because I will share my trades, my levels, my exact levels into the VIP group. Okay, thank you, Ahmed. Okay, so something like this, strong rally. Let's take a look. Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Only a temporary drop here, because as I've said also when I've talked about the Australian dollar, US dollar, the Australian dollar was strongly bullish in the short term. It has resumed its growth, even if the Australian dollar, US dollar, even if the dollar index rallied. And also here yen basket. So after something like this, okay, it has dropped only a little. Let's take a look. New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, I believe that the same here. But Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, strong sell-off, because we had that strong rebound on the yen basket. Okay, so as I said earlier today, you can still use correlations, but you have to be careful, because these are not perfect. These are not Canadian dollar, Japanese yen will crash, then Australian dollar, Japanese yen will crash as well. So you have to be careful. You have to trade to identify high probability trades, Yeah, also using the yen basket, if you're trading the Japanese yen. So something like this. Unfortunately, right now I don't think I have something really good here. Yesterday here, and yeah, I'm a little frustrated about this one here, because yesterday I was looking at something like this. Okay, the price was here right above 128.23. okay, and something like this, maybe in the short term, something like a triangle here, something like this, or actually a pattern, when the yen basket was here. Okay, so when the yen basket, and I've said that, yeah, I've missed a great opportunity, and yeah, euro Japanese yen was perfect and an amazing opportunity. But yeah, even if I've missed this opportunity, yeah, I will identify new great opportunities. So yeah, personally I'm not worried, but yeah, I'm frustrated because yeah, it was a great one. So when the yen basket was here, I said that it was a support, yeah, lower medium line, and this key level, historical level, 90.27, and I've expected a potential rebound here. And when the yen basket was at support, euro Japanese yen was here, guys, right above this static support, immediate and former low 128.23, and right above this this level. And please take a look, that rally registered by the yen basket forced the yen to appreciate versus euro. Yeah, and yeah, I know. And please take a look, amazing, and amazing crash here, and but yeah, I will try to identify new opportunities like this one here. So yeah, because there are a lot of great opportunities, even if I don't know, we are yeah, I wasn't I was undecided yesterday about something like this, only because yeah, the price was here above this high, yeah, above this zone, but yeah, something like this. British pound, Japanese yen, strong sell-off. I don't have something here right now. It has dropped below these former lows, but I don't want to sell it here right now because this could still be invalidated, and I don't know. But if the price will maybe consolidate, or actually if it will maybe stabilize below 152.90, it could extend its sell-off or something. So yeah, something like this. Please, guys, if you have maybe more questions, I will try to take a look. So yeah, I've talked about US 100, about US 30, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, Euro USD, gold. So yeah, team, British pound, Australian dollar. Okay, team, British pound, Australian dollar. So before I will talk about that market, first of all, before I will trade the Japanese yen, I want here to see something around the immediate downtrend line. Okay, false breakouts, test retest, false breakouts, a bearish pattern could signal a potential new downside movement, and a potential downside movement will help me to identify Japanese yen shorts, selling positions. And here staying, I want to see something like this, and I really want to see something like this. Test retest, or actually an accumulation here, consolidation, maybe above 91.26, staying near the downtrend line, something like a sideways movement, followed by a valid breakout, could signal an upside continuation, and an upside continuation could help me to identify new Japanese yen longs buying opportunities. So before I will take a look on I don't know, Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, euro, Japanese yen, I want a confirmation here, upside continuation or downside movement. Okay, and then I will search for trading opportunities on Japanese yen pairs, right? British pound, Australian dollar. Okay. Whoa. No, I'm not trading this market. Yeah. So that's why I have to build something here. Something like this, only false breakouts above this former high, signaling that maybe this leg higher upside movement is over. And here, maybe something like this. Yeah. Valid breakdown, signaling downside movement. Okay, right now, yeah, after something like this, no, I don't want to go short here to sell it here, only because Dominic, it is possible to duplicate the forecast of transactions in writing in a VIP chat. I do not understand English well, just learning English, thank you. So, you want me to write the forecasts or to write my analysis or something? So, if you're a VIP member, you will get videos, you'll get also written analysis or something, but no, I will not write all analyses on all markets. It's really hard to do it. It's unfortunately I don't have I have a lot of tasks here, trading, recording videos, recording market breakdowns, so short videos, tutorials, to host webinars, to, I don't know, I have a lot of or also to concentrate on trading, to identify, and so I don't have time maybe to write also all these analyses, right? So but Dominic, if you can visit our YouTube channel, okay, and you can watch this webinar several times, okay, and maybe you will I don't know, maybe you will understand what I'm looking at, what I believe about the specific market, yeah, and something like this. Euro, Australian dollar, Raul Rodriguez Lara, it is over. I don't know. So something like this. So also, Dominic, I believe that for 35 pounds per month, you're getting a lot of high quality content from webinars, analyses, written analyses, news, videos, a lot of great stuff into the VIP group, trades, trade management, educational stuff, So yeah, something like this. British pound, Australian dollar. So I don't want to do anything right now here. Personally, I'm not trading this market, as I've said. I don't know why you want to trade it. Strong sell-off, but personally I don't have something. Maybe here after something like a massive drop, I'll wait either for a rebound, retreat. Yeah, a rebound, bounce back, or for a sideways movement. Okay, or for a major reversal, bullish reversal pattern, which will really signal that yeah, this market will turn to the upside. So right now it's too late to maybe to sell it, and only a temporary rebound could help the sellers to go short, or a sideways movement. So no, I don't have an opinion right now. I don't know. It's strongly bearish. So I don't have something really good here. And it's strongly bearish because I've talked about the Australian dollar when I talked about the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, US dollar, and also here breakdown. So maybe I would like something like this for the price to come back, maybe to register something like sideways movement, a distribution before dropping deeper or something. Okay. Euro, Australian dollar. Falling. It is over. I don't know. Raul Rodriguez Lara. So yeah, maybe it's not over. Sorry. After dropping below 1.5252, former low here, yeah, it has signaled a deeper drop, maybe a near. Gold has reached 1950. It is good to buy. I will take a look on gold again. So after dropping and ignoring that level 1.5252, it has signaled potential deeper drop, but right now I don't know, it's hard to tell. And Raul Rodriguez Lara also someone asked me about, yeah, I've talked about British pound, Australian dollar. I believe this is the same thing here, the same downside movement, strong downside movement. So as long as I don't have something like a reversal pattern, okay, I don't know, maybe for the price to make something like this, I don't know, something like an inverse head and shoulders, okay, or something like a double bottom, okay, triple bottom, I don't know, to print something like a strong pin bar, okay, for the price to print something like this, a huge candle, huge spike down, small body, and follow it by a major bullish candle, right, to confirm that pin bar could signal an exhausted sellers, and then maybe you can look for buys. But right now, as long as I don't have something like a reversal pattern, yeah, this market could still go down, but I don't have something really good. That's why yeah, as I've said, yeah, I'm not trading this market, so that's why I don't have I don't know, trading trades on these markets, trading opinions or something. Also, don't forget that everything is for educational purpose, and yeah, these are not trading recommendations, these are not trading signals. Yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, These are only my analysis and my opinions, guys, please. And also here, only a temporary rebound bounce back could bring us new short opportunities, or actually let's use here something. Yeah, but as I said, I'll wait maybe for a strong bullish reversal pattern or something like this before maybe I will look for short-term long opportunities, because maybe only after something like a major bullish pattern this this currency pair could turn to the upside. So right now I don't have something good on this market. Yeah, so I believe that Orlando's trade is in really in huge profit right now on gold after its further growth. Yeah, the dollar index closed above these upside obstacles. Euro US dollar. Yeah, it continues to stay there. Don't forget, guys, if you are not a VIP member, if you want to join us, if you want to get my trades, my trade management, I don't know, around 267 pips in profit on my euro versus the US dollar trade. Yeah, Raul Rodriguez Lara, thank you as well. So yeah, I'm still holding my euro USD despite maybe temporary rebounds. The bias is bearish. Yeah. So. Okay, if you have maybe more questions, guys, gold. Gold. So about gold, has reached 1950. It is good for buy. So as you already know, and if you are a VIP member, you already know that Orlando is already long in gold. Let's take a look on the real account on the MetaTrader. One moment. Anir, I am a VIP member. Yeah. Okay. So right now, gold. So Orlando's trade in gold. So if you are a VIP member, maybe you are already long. So around 400 pips in gold, Orlando's trade, yeah, in gold. And yeah, personally, actually, please wait, guys, for his trade management, because maybe Orlando, this is my opinion, maybe Orlando, because maybe yeah, his maybe take profit is here around this former high, but maybe Orlando will want to add more long positions, yeah, because he's already long, and he maybe he'll want to build something here like a swing position or something, not a short term one, and maybe he will manage his position by I don't know, maybe maybe he will move his stop loss at break even, I don't know, maybe he will take some profit, and maybe he will move his take profit higher, maybe he will delete his take profit. So that's why please wait for Orlando's trade management. And personally, I've said earlier today that I want a value breakout here. Right now, yeah, it has rallied, it has jumped far above these former highs, far above the weekly R1, but don't forget that we have this resistance area here, okay? That's why personally I would have liked here for the price to close above it, to retest the R1 before jumping higher, because yeah, the price could still could only reach this area before dropping a little or something. So right now gold is bullish. Orlando's position, yeah, I missed Orlando's, yeah. Yeah, unfortunately, but don't worry, near you will get if you want to follow our I don't know, new long positions, trades in gold, yeah, don't worry, you will get them. So don't rush. Yeah, you have to be patient, even if you'll see right now the price of gold jumping higher or something. Personally, I will not send trades only to share trades, yeah, 10 trades per day or something. I want high probability trades with a great risk to reward ratio, yeah, only something like this. So resistance area here, guys, in gold, right, these former highs. That's why personally I'll wait for the price. I'll wait to see how the price will react here. Yeah, okay, because yeah, Orlando's trade is in profit. Why should I risk here with a buy position right below this resistance zone? So Orlando's trade is in profit, and as I've said, most likely he will manage it. He will maybe add more long positions, yeah, soon. Okay, after maybe a potential retreat, or maybe after a value breakout here, right, in gold. If you have maybe more questions, guys, if you have more questions, please, I'm still here. So I was live here for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Whoa. Yeah, non-farm payrolls day, a busy day. Bitcoin. After its failure here to stabilize above the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, after failing here to hit 45,501, and also after something like this, a temporary retreat was natural expected, guys, a natural and expected. Okay. And right now it has reached this immediate downtrend, former downtrend line actually. And yeah, this could be only a temporary retreat. So personally I have here the weekly R1 40,604.55, and this former high of 40,330.99, and in my opinion we could have something like this. Okay, as long as it is above the downtrend line and above these static support levels, it could turn to the upside anytime. Okay, all right, also maybe these former highs as support. Yeah, something like this here on Bitcoin. So I want to see something like this here. Okay, if you are interested in Bitcoin, test, retest, okay, false breakdowns, test, retest, and then boom, yeah, a new bullish momentum in Bitcoin. But I'll wait, yeah, for something like this, because dropping closing below this could signal potential deeper drop. Yeah, okay, it seems you don't have more questions. I was here live for more than 1 hour and 20 minutes. Thank you, guys. Have a great weekend. Don't forget that I will come back with my trade management on that trade in euro versus the US dollar. Yeah. So also Orlando will come back with his update on his trades. Thank you, guys. Don't forget to like this video. You can like it. You can watch it again in our YouTube channel. we have a playlist there, live webinars. Also, don't forget that you can comment right below it. Maybe, I don't know, you have questions, you want to ask something, I don't know, after you will watch it again or something. So thank you guys. See you next time, next week, maybe on Monday or Tuesday. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.